Hi guys, welcome back to another shower routine video. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're not new, thank you for always coming by. And in today's video, we're going to start by brushing my mouth as usual. I'll be using Sensodyne toothpaste to brush my mouth, so let us get into it. Next, I'm going to go in with my tongue scraper to scrub my tongue, so let us do that. Next, I'm going to start washing my face. I'm going to wash my face before jumping into the shower, even though I still wash my face in the shower, but I try to make it clean before entering the shower. I will be using La Roche-Posay face cleanser, the oily to normal skin face wash, so let us get into it. Next, I'm going to jump into the shower. I'll be using Dove Beauty Bar Soap for my face cleanse, so let us get into it. I don't know this particular scent. Actually, I'm on a staycation, so I'm not at home, so I decided to buy this one to use. But to be sincere, I don't like the scent. It doesn't smell nice to me compared to the ones I've been using. But like, we still have to make use of it because I don't have a choice. I'm not at home, so let us get into it. Next, I'm going to start scrubbing my body. I'm going to be using Dr. Teal's Shea Sugar Scrub. And if you've been watching my videos, you know I love this scrub so much. If you have a dry skin, you would definitely love it too, because I do have a dry skin. And it helps to hydrate my body, so let us get into it. I'm going to quickly rinse the scrub off so that I can start using the next product. Next on the line is my Femme Fresh for our sister down there, so let us get into it. After that, I'm going to go in with my Dr. Teal's body wash for my second cleanse, so let us get into it. Next, I'm going to use this foot buffer to brush my legs, scrub my legs until I'm satisfied. So I'm going to be adding a little body wash on the buffer just to make it easier for me to use. So let us get into it. Next is my after shower routine. Today I'm not going to use lotion. To be sincere, I hardly use lotion on my body unless I want to smell like the lotion, if that makes sense. But I always go in with my body oil. It's either Palmer's oil or Dr. Teal's oil or Vaseline. So those are the three oils I've been using. So this time around I'll be using Dr. Teal's body oil. But first of all, let us start with my first care routine. On this cotton pad, I added my first toner on the pad and I'm using it to clean my face. I'm using Good Molecule toner in niacinamide brightening toner. So let us get into it. Next, I'll be applying the ordinary face serum in niacinamide. So let us get into it. Next, I'll be applying my simple face moisturizer. So let us get into it. Next, I'm going to start applying my body oil because I'm done with my face. I'll be using Dr. Teal's body oil in lavender. So let us get into it. To seal everything off nicely, I'll be using my Dove deodorant.